Hi children, today we are going to study trigonometric ratios. So trigonometry is what? Trigonometry is a branch of mathematics, is it? The word trigonometry is derived from the Greek word trignon and metron. And trignon means what? Trignon means a triangle and the word metron means a measure. Okay. Trigonometry means the science of measuring triangle. So this is the basic introduction for trigonometry, and we have to find the most important task for trigonometry is to find the remaining sides and angles of the triangle. Where some angles sides are given, the problem by solving trigonometric ratios using right angle triangle. Okay. So this is a right angle triangle, is it? Right angle means what? This is 90 degree, is it? If this is 90 degree, these two degrees are angle A and angle B are 45 degree, is it? Then the total 45 plus 45 90, 90 plus 90 180 degree. This is the angle sum property we studied earlier the previous classes, is it? So in the right angle, this AM is called base and this is PM is called perpendicular. This is base and this is perpendicular and this is called hypotenuse. Understood? This is AM is called base and this is called perpendicular and this one is called hypotenuse. I will write for you. AM equals base. Understood? And PM equals perpendicular. Then which one is remaining? AP equals hypotenuse. Understood? So now we define the following trigonometric ratios using this right angle triangle. First one is sin theta. Sin theta equals perpendicular by hypotenuse. Understood? Is written as sin theta. Okay. Next one is cosine theta, or we call it as cos theta. Cos theta equals base by hypotenuse. The next one is tangent theta, or we call it as tan theta. Tan theta equals perpendicular by base. Next, the fourth one is cosecant theta or cosec theta. Cosec theta equals hypotenuse by perpendicular. And the next fifth one is secant theta or sec theta, that is equal hypotenuse by base. The last one is, I will write here, cot theta equals, we will call it as congruent theta and the short form is cos theta, that is base by perpendicular. These are the trigonometric ratios. Understood? I will write for you one questions. In a triangle ABC, right angled at A, if AB equals 12, AC equals 5 and BC equals 13, find all the six trigonometric ratios of angle B. Here This is a right angle. AB given. All the measures are given, is it? So we have to find the 6 trigonometric ratios. This is AB, that is 12, and this is AC, that is 5, and this is BC, that is 13. Okay, I will write for you. AB equals, that is base. Base AB equals 12, perpendicular AC equals 5, and the next one is hypotenuse BC equals 13. Understood? So we have to find all the 6 trigonometric ratios. The first one is what? Sine B, right angle at B. So sine B equals AC by BC, that is 5 by 13. Understood? And the next one is cos B, that is AB by BC equals 12 by 13. And the next one is what? Tan B equals AC by AB, that is 5 by 12. Is it? Next one is cosec B, that is BC by AC equals 13 by 5. Next one is sec B, that is BC by AB equals 13 by 12. The last one is cot B equals AB by AC equals 12 by 5. Understood? In this way we are finding the 6 trigonometric ratios. Here all the ratios are given. Okay. Next one is, in a triangle ABC, right angled at B, if AB equals 4 and BC equals 3, find all the 6 trigonometric ratios. Here base are given, that is 4, and perpendicular BC 3 is given. We should find hypotenuse first. That measurement is not given over here, so we should find hypotenuse first. Okay, how to find hypotenuse? By Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem. Is it? So that means what? AC square, hypotenuse square equals AB square, that is base square, plus BC square. BC square means perpendicular square. So this is AC square. We have to take AC here. So it will be root of AB square plus BC square. Is it? Then AC equals root of AB square, that is 4 square plus 3 square. AC equals root of 4 square, that is 16, plus 3 square, that is 9. AC equals root of 25. Root 25 we already know, that is 5. So we got hypotenuse. Is it? Then we have to find each 6 trigonometric ratios. First one is sin A. Sin A equals what? BC by AC, that is 3 by 5. Then cos A equals, we already know, AB by AC. AB means base, AC means hypotenuse. Okay, that is 4 by 5. Then cos A, after what will come? Tan A. Tan A equals BC by AB, that is 3 by 4. Is it? Then it will come cosec A. Cosec A equals what? AC by BC, that means hypotenuse by perpendicular. This is 5 by 3. Is it? Cosec A, after what will come? Sec A. Sec A is equal to AC by AB, that is 5 by 4. Then the last one is cot A equals AB by BC. AB means base, BC means perpendicular. It will be 4 by 3. In this way we are finding the trigonometric ratios. Here they are given base and perpendicular, then we have to find hypotenuse, then only we can find the other 6 trigonometric ratios. Understood? So these are the basic things you should go through this and study well. The next class we will study more about it. Okay, thank you.